you are an investor in the stock market, you are a MAGA conservative investor. It just doesn't make any sense that you would be anything else. Clearly, the stereotype persists that anyone who's interested in finance and investing and the stock market is a rigid conservative MAGA Republican who only cares about mergers and acquisitions and tax cuts for the corporations and trickle-down economics and all that shit. I really don't like making these kinds of videos, but I think it remains important because there are some people who view the stock market as a thing that is only for a certain type of person. And that's just not true. And of course, I'm not going to snitch on anyone, but I am going to be the one to inform you that most of the top finance content creators that you follow are left-leaning. They might be moderate. They might not be all the way like Bernie and AOC, far leftist, but a lot of the people that you go to for your financial education and whatever else, entertainment, financial entertainment, they're left-leaning. They might not say it, which I can understand as someone who has made several videos on politics. I've gotten a handful of death threats. Maybe they don't want to get any death threats. Maybe they get dozens and dozens of DMs calling them, every name in the book that you can imagine. Maybe they don't want to deal with that kind of hate. Or maybe they don't want to lose brand deals or potential partnership opportunities. Or maybe they don't want to lose followers. So I don't care about that. I can make my own money. I'm not dependent on brand deals to get by. And having a lot of followers is cool, but my life doesn't depend on it. Again, probably because I'm not pitching to brands all the time. Hey, I want to work with you. I want to work with you. Look how many followers I have. The last time I made a political video, I lost 11,000 followers on Instagram overnight. Overnight. Maybe they don't want to do that. But I don't mind. And I don't mind telling you that a lot of the people that you follow are leftists. Look, the reality is I care about a lot of things. I care about a lot of people. I care about women's rights, trans rights, basic human rights, universal health care, affordable housing, affordable rent, affordable everything. I care about the climate. I listen to scientists. So yeah, I'm left-leaning. I'm actually as far left over as you can get. Some people don't like that. Okay. If it bothers you, you can unfollow. You're free to do that. This isn't some sort of fascist dictatorship page where I say, no, only me. You can't follow anyone else. You can do whatever you want. But just because you are pro-finance and pro-investing and money doesn't mean you are anti-human and anti-science and anti-education and anti-people and rights. Is it a struggle sometimes in this space? Maybe a little bit, but hey, it is what it is. Do I have problems with capitalism and corporate America? Yeah, I do. Do I think it's the most perfect system that we've ever had? No, I don't. But I also recognize that it's the system that we're all forced to live under. So, hey, it is what it is, man. If I want to be able to retire one day, I got to invest. We're participating in this economy. You might as well benefit from investing in it as well. And that stands for everybody. For everybody. The stock market isn't just for rich old white men. And, I think Wall Street would be fine and corporate America would be fine if millionaires, billionaires, and corporations paid a little bit higher in taxes. Are there problems with getting that money to go to the right place? Absolutely. But if everything worked out perfectly, Wall Street would be fine. I don't worry about oh no, what about the stock market?